Hi guys, today we are going to be learning about how to clone your WhatsApp on your desktop machine or on your laptop, whichever one you want to use. Every machine, whether desktop or laptop, will respond. Cloning your WhatsApp actually helps you to understand how to perform basic functions within your WhatsApp using your desktop machine. For example, if your phone screen is not responding and you want to use your laptop to WhatsApp, there's no need going to download other stuff. No, you just get internet connectivity and then you just clone your WhatsApp. If you also want to download a video onto your desktop machine or your laptop directly, you don't need to go to WhatsApp to go and download it on your phone before transferring it via whatever Bluetooth. No, you can do it directly from your desktop. So today I'm going to be using Opera Mini browser. You can use any other browser that you think is okay for you. So you open your browser, then over here you type WhatsApp web. So you see whatsappweb.com, whatsappweb.com. So you wait patiently for it to come. You see this screen here. This is a QR code that's going to clone your WhatsApp from your phone to your desktop or your laptop. So as you can see here, tap on the three dots at the right top corner of your phone. That is, you open your WhatsApp now on your phone, then you now select this one, this three dots. When you select it, you will see among the options WhatsApp web. Just click on it. Just click on it. You will see a camera will open. Now show the camera to this phone. So now you scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, you wait patiently. You will see that it is cloning gradually cloning, gradually cloning. It is cloning gradually. And bingo, here you are. You can actually see that your WhatsApp will be here. You can now chat anybody you want to chat. As you can see, this is our group. So I'm going to chat. Hi guys. You see that everybody in the group will receive it. That's all we have. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then you give your comments, suggestions, and don't forget to share. Thank you.